first question is, Mrs. Monkey, what are your adaptations? Well, I have a tail to cling onto trees. I have 2 arms and 2 legs to help me walk or run. I live in trees so I don't get eaten. Mrs. Monkey, what is your life cycle? Well, I start as a baby and I drink my mother's milk. I cling to my mom. My muscles get stronger and stronger every day. I learn to play with other animals. I like to jump and play, and I have 1 baby at a time. Mrs. Monkey, what are your threats? Well, people are my threats because they cut down trees and they capture me. And I am sold as pets, and they also can cut me for meat and fur. I have another question, Mrs. Monkey. What kind of food do you like? Well, I eat oranges and bananas. I also eat berries and eat nuts. Last, I like to eat small lizards, insects, birds, eggs, leaves, bats, birds, and flowers. Hello, Mrs. Monkey. What is important for you to have in your habitat? Well, I live in trees and in tropical forests. Also, I live in warm weather all year long. Next, I live in Central South America, and last, I live in troops, 15 to 20 monkeys.
Mr. Copperhead, what are your adaptations? I can swallow prey whole. I can camouflage into leaves, but I do not like to fight. I lie still when the enemy is... Mr. Copperhead, what forms do you have in your life cycle? I have brood, young snake, adult, and maiden pair. A female copperhead gives birth to 20 young at Mr. Copperhead, who are your predators? My predators are eagles, hawks, large lizards, crocodiles, raccoons, mongoose, birds, and pigs. Mr. Copperhead, what do you eat? I eat mice, lizards, frogs, insects, birds. What kinds of things do you like in your habitat, Mr. Copperhead? I like dry leaves, wooded hills, and stone walls. And I live near ponds, streams, and swamps.